Easily analyzing the performance of your external websites is as important as following up with internal websites. So we're glad to announce a centralized analytics dashboard to track page views, form views, responses, and completion rates with detailed filtering and audience breakdowns. Let's check how it works. Native analytics without external tools that live alongside sites and forms, reducing context switching and providing insight into your domain, pages, and forms efficiency. Aggregated, anonymized insights for traffic by device type, top browsers, top client IPs, and geographic distribution by country, state, city. A new All Forms section provides a form-wise breakdown of total views, responses, completion rate, and the last updated timestamps for quick auditing. These native metrics can be slightly confusing, so let's learn how to view them. Inside your account settings, access the External Tracking section and connect your tracking script. Head to the Analytics tab inside the Sites section and select External Tracking. Analytics can be refined using filters for domains, pages, and forms. Set your desired date range. Once you've set the filters, the aggregate data will update to reflect the customer behavior your pages have received, helping you comfortably analyze the external domain's reach inside your CRM. We hope you enjoy it.